Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Google Academy. Today's top 10 words are there. First, accolade. 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 Accolade means an award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of a merit. Okay. An award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. The use of accolade is the hotel has won numerous accolades. Okay, ACCOLADE accolade. The hotel has won numerous accolades, and the synonyms of accolades are honor, recognitions, privilege, award, gift, title, prize, etc. Okay, so remember ACCOLADE accolade. Okay, accolade means an award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. Next, convocations. CONVOCATION. Convocations. CONVOCATION. Convocations means a large formal meeting, especially of a church officials or of members of some universities. Okay, and the use of convocations are: she was awarded an honorary degree at the spring convocations. Okay, she was awarded an honorary degree at the spring convocations, and the synonyms are assembly, gathering, meeting, conference, conventions, CONVENTION conventions, etc. Next, feticide. FETICID. Feticide means generally the destructions or abortions of a fetus, or we can say in Hindi गर्भनाशक. Okay. Next, fulminations. FULMINATION. Fulminations. FULMINATION. Fulminations means strong criticisms or protest. Strong criticisms or protest is called fulminations. FULMINATION. Fulminations. And the use is: Stewart does not deserve such outrage fulminations. Okay. Use is: Stewart does not deserve such outrage fulminations. And the synonyms of fulminations are protest, objections, complaint, rant, denunciations, DENUNCIATION, denunciations, condemnations, criticisms, censures, etc. These are the synonyms of fulminations. Next, jaded. 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 Jaded means not having interest or losing interest because you have experienced something too many times. Okay, there is too many times. That's why you have no interest or losing interest in particular things or particular works. Okay, or physically tired or exhausted. The use of jaded, JADD, jaded is: flying is exciting the first time you do. Okay, flying is exciting the first time you do it, but you soon becomes jaded. Okay, you understand? And the synonyms of jaded are satiated, 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 sated, 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 surfeited, 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 gluted, GLUTTED, gluted, gorged, 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 DULLED, dulled, blunted, 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 deadened, 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 benumbed, BENUMBED, benumbed. These are the synonyms of jaded, JADED, jaded. Okay, so jaded means physically tired or exhausted. Next, menace. MENANCE. Menace. MENANCE. Menace means something that is likely to cause harm. Okay, something that is likely to cause harm is called menace. 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 Sorry, MENACE. Menace. and the use is drunk drivers are a menace to everyone. Okay, drivers are a menace to everyone, and the synonyms are danger, peril, risk, hazard, threat, jeopardy, etc. So these are the synonyms of menace. MENAC, menace. Next, pejoratives. PEJORATIV. Pejorative means expressing disapproval or suggesting that something is not good or is of no importance. Okay, and the use of pejoratives is makes your students realize that hate is a pejorative word. Okay, and the synonyms of pejoratives are deprecatory, 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 defamatory, slanderous, libelous, abusive, insulting, disparaging, derogatory. Okay, remember all these words very important. Pejoratives, synonyms of these are the synonyms of pejoratives. PEJORATIVE, pejoratives. Okay, PEJORATIVE, pejoratives. Next word is prairie, PRAIRIE, prairie. Okay, PRAIRIE, prairie means a large open area of grassland, especially in North America. Okay, prairie means a large open area of grasslands is called prairie. PRAIRIE, prairie. Then here this word is specially used in North America. Okay, next quiver, QUIVER, quiver. Quiver means tremble or shake with a slight rapid motions. Okay, quiver means tremble or shake with a slight rapid motions, and the user the tree's branches stop quivering. Okay, or the dog quivered with fears. Okay, and the synonyms of quivers are tremble, shake, shiver, quiver, quake, shudder, 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 convulse. Okay, the next word is